Hi, I want to show you something that is going to save you so much time, money, and energy. You're never going to stop making this if you like chicken. Frozen chicken breast in the Instant Pot with 1 cup of water, salt and pepper. You can use 1 breast or as many as you can fit in there. After 15 minutes, you release the steam, and this is optional. You can drag your Instant Pot across your countertop and steam clean your cabinets. Why not? When you pull the top off, you've got perfectly cooked chicken breast and delicious broth. Now at this point, you can put the chicken breast in the fridge and slice it for sandwiches, chicken salads. You can hand shred it, you can dice it. I pull mine out, pour off the broth to freeze in ice cube trays to use in other recipes. And then I drop my hand mixer in, and in 30 seconds, I have shredded chicken breast. And at this point, you can use this for anything that calls for shredded chicken breast. But this time, we are making Mexican chicken. Dump in your favorite salsa and stir. Seriously, what could be easier? And this is delicious.